Hi, I'm Amy Gray, the Education Director here at the Anniston Museums and Gardens, and I'd like to invite you this weekend, December 12th, to several programs that we have going on here on the campus of the Anniston Museums and Gardens. First, in the morning, we have Christmas at the Berman, which is perfect for your kids and to get in the holiday spirit. Then in the afternoon at 1 o'clock, we have Gifts for Wildlife. Birds need extra calories in the winter when the temperatures drop. So we'll be making 3 edible ornaments that you can hang on the tree or in some bushes in your yard to encourage our feathered friends to visit your yard, but also give them those extra calories that they need. Each kit is $8 or $5 if you're a member of the Anniston Museums and Gardens, and you can pre-register at the front desk or online for either of these programs. If you'd like more information on either of these programs, you can visit us on our website at www.exploreamag.org or follow us on any of our social media. We look forward to seeing you this weekend.